In terms of buying, the situation in France is a little bit different from back home because whereas in the English system, what happens is you would only exchange contracts effectively when you're ready to proceed. And so you might not exchange contracts until very late in the process, and then you may complete very quickly or even have a simultaneous exchange and completion. In France, once you have agreed on the price, then the French sign a contract very quickly, but they build into that contract what we call in legal speak conditions precedent, which basically are escape lanes for the buyer to be able to cancel the contract if certain events don't happen. And the most common one is for people who are going to borrow money in order to finance the acquisition. So back home, you'd never sign a contract until you had your mortgage offer all approved and all dealt with. Whereas in France, you sign the contract and you put a clause in which says, well, I will only complete this purchase if I am granted mortgage finance of, and you put in the amount and even the bank rate or interest rate that you would accept as your maximum and the duration of the loan. Also, you build in conditions such as planning enquiries, and if you find out that there's going to be a motorway nearby, then that would give you the right to withdraw. So usually, if people find a property they like in France and they want to buy, then you would sign a contract within 3 or 4 weeks, but the contract would provide for completion usually 3 months after the contract is signed.